All right, my name is MichaelFicara, and I'm going to walk you through kind of what I believe the future of LMS is going to be. We'll be looking at the current learning management system that I use. It does have some qualities that may lean it more towards the CMS, but I do believe it has many LMS features. The question is, and the question that arises, is it good to purchase something from a company or better to go with an individually developed LMS or CMS? At this point, I think there's a great benefit to sort of using a company's system and using something that a company develops. Only reason is that I don't think we're at a point now where we have as many people who are developing it or who are using their own CMS or their own LMS. The cost to hire someone to be able to do that or to operate that may not be always there. Also, security is a big issue, and I think that's something we have to look at and we have to think about. Much of what we're publishing on here is content for classes, grades, things of that nature, so sometimes these closed purchase systems do offer more in the ability of security and protection and things of that nature. So depending on the size of your institution, I think depends on the size of the equipment that you feel you need or the equipment that you desire. My school currently subscribes to using the Edline system. One of the things I've really enjoyed and one of the things I really love about Edline is the diversity and the ability to sort of customize a course and customize what you need to do. As you can see here, I have my classes listed, and this is a class I'm going to show you is one of the online classes. But even as you enter in on the home screen here and you see the home screen that we have for the school, very, very customizable, a lot of different things going on. We have the school calendar and things for the school and the school directory. But then as we go into the individual classes, we also see the customization that's available as well and the things that we could do. And this sort of begins here in this managed class section. One of the things that we see here is an HTML editor, which allows me or gives me the option to bring in a lot of different sort of characteristics and bring in a lot of different things to my class from the web. One of the things that we see through here, one of the things that I've been able to do, as you can see, is I've added videos. This is actually a course overview of the course, which walks students through step by step on how to use the course, utilizing YouTube, which is something that's free. So one of the things we see here is the merging of the free and merging of the cost to allow students to bring these things together and have both aspects and sort of allow them to bring things into that. I found this to be a very diverse and very good thing to use. So I could embed a PowerPoint from SlideShare from the website and allow students to use it and allow them to see that. You see the calendar in the news section as well, being able to update things and being able to put things in there. Now, as we go into the assignment section too, I also have the ability here to upload and to put in many things, such as assignments that we do, things of that nature, documents that I want the students to download, and I could also upload the PowerPoints into this area. So one of the things I really liked about this system is the ability to have everything one-stop shopping and everything in one area, both within the program itself that I can monitor if I want, and also using a lot of outside sources and things for that nature. Teachers use this to manage their regular everyday classes. I've used this to create an online school at my campus, and students use this system to take courses online. And as you can see here, I have the notes, things of that nature. I can run discussion threads, things like that, and then students actually just hand in all their work. Nothing is done face-to-face. Students hand in their work via a project homework camp. If I wanted to, I could have quizzes, I could have tests directly on here, so I really think it's a great system. Some of the things I would like to see added for the future is I wish there was a social networking component so that students will be able to see all the students in their class and all the people that are in their class and be able to communicate with them as well. Okay, and you can see here is another one of my classes. This is not an online class, this is a regular classroom class, but you could see that I've used a lot of different things in here. The YouTube videos, once again, I have a podcast as well that I broadcast right through here. So the website gives me a lot of diversity. Students are actually blogging in the class as well. I link this to their blog, so I find it's a great way to communicate connections, what's free out there and what's not free. I truly believe this is the future of education. This is the future of what we're going to be doing. We need to take these things and take these materials and take these products and bring them into our classrooms to give teachers and students diversity on the education that they want to access. They're able to access a lot of different things and they're able to see a lot of different things that maybe they wouldn't be able to see had we not had these features and had these things. As you can see, I'm Twittering as well. So I really believe the future of LMS and the future of CMS is how classes are going to be constructed. I believe the majority of classwork from now on will be handed in online via the internet. I think they're really going to diversify and really give us an opportunity to be in better communication with students and parents. One of the things that the program also allows us to do is communicate with parents and give parents their students' grades. And parents are able to see the grades of their students twice a week. And I feel this is a really great way for parents to know what their students are doing. So I think the future of LMS and CMS we're just on the tip of the iceberg. I think they're going to be more integrated in the classroom, more part of the everyday learning and the everyday teaching. Hope you've enjoyed my presentation. Look forward to working with all of you in the future.